Using the Group Control feature on the LGThinQ app. If you have 2 or more air conditioners, use the Group Control feature of the ThinQ app. You can control them together on the app by bundling up 2 or more units. Please note that this feature may not be supported depending on your model. Before using Group Control, make sure the wireless router is powered on and that the ThinQ app is installed on your smartphone. If everything is all set, let's find out how to use the Group Control feature. Open the ThinQ app on your mobile phone. Touch the top left menu icon on the home screen and select Manage Product. After entering Manage Group Control, touch the top right Add button on the screen. Enter the name you want and select the air conditioning unit to add to the group. Touch the Save button, and a new group will be created. A group control card will also be added to the home screen. Touch it, and you can check and control every single unit in the group at once. If needed, you can select and use each of them one by one.